Hello everyone, here we are coming up to the Mackinac Bridge. It's a beautiful afternoon, November 30th. Doesn't feel like November 30th. I called the Whale House earlier to get an ETA and they said 3:30 and it is shortly after 3, and by the time we get under the bridge it will be 3:30. So this is pretty exciting. Gonna have to run back in and stir my pot and come right back out. Well, I went in and stirred my pots and made sure nothing was going to burn, and here I am as we go under the Mackinac Bridge. It's a big bridge. Goes way over there. I'd love to drive over that bridge one day. I don't know if you can hear the waves. It sounds really great. You see on the bridge that red car or truck? It really stands out. Red. You can't hide in a red car. We should know. We drive one. Lorraine and I have a pretty red car. You can see it from quite a distance and easy to find in the parking lot. That's so cool. I like to visualize the bridge on the map and just imagine us going under the bridge. Check that out over on the other side. That's really cool too. Here we go. In case you're wondering, this is what it looks like underneath the bridge. Underneath the transport truck. So we'll walk back. Can you hear that? That's the trucks going over the bridge. That was awesome. Well, I hope you enjoyed traveling under the Mackinac Bridge with me. Now, back into the galley.